Equipment Mobile is a great tool for obtaining information about any piece of equipment, but it can also be used to help diagnose issues with an MTG or wireless modem. To start the diagnostic process, we need a little bit of information. All can be accessed from the display. Like from the equipment menu, we can have the serial number of the machine. And we will need to establish a wireless connection with the machine. This can be done through the menu, the system, and we will access the wireless settings. Within the wireless settings, we need to enable mobile to machine. Toggling this feature on and selecting the pencil, we will obtain the serial number of the tractor and the password used to make the connection. Using your cell phone and the settings, use the Wi-Fi application. From your available networks, we will choose the serial number of the machine. We will now input the password we obtained from the mobile to machine menu. We have now established a connection with the machine. Using Equipment Mobile, I will now search for this model. I can use the scan feature within the search bar, and I can scan the serial number plate located on the machine and then select the equipment model. If I don't want to use the scan feature, remember from the display, I can access the serial number and I can manually type in the serial number in the search bar. Once completed, I will search and select the equipment model. Once the equipment model has been selected, under Pairings, choose JD-Link R Modem 4G. Once the modem has been selected, under Resources, we will first focus on equipment information. Equipment information offers topics like theory of operation, hardware, LED status, diagnostic addresses, and diagnostic trouble codes. To look at a few, here is an example of the diagnostic addresses, diagnostic trouble codes, and a chart for the LED status. Navigating back to the resources, we'll choose MTG Diagnostics. Choosing this, it'll tell you that you need to establish a connection, which we already have. Pressing the Get Started will enable the MTG Diagnostics. Sometimes you will have to use the back button and press the Get Started button again for the MTG Diagnostics to work. Now we can see the LED status, GPS antenna, and cell antenna.